say, Daddy, you want to play Mr. Badman? But me feel like we are delayed the mission too long. You remember yesterday we look up together? Me, I can show him a lesson. See people them man we are there with. And him we are going to make the mission. So I'm going to go. One day I go tell them, say. Remember, they didn't confuse AI. Nobody use AI. AI man don't work good. He might not say you. Come and think you know about technology. You don't even know if you use AI. Girl, what's my good now? You see this a planner? I don't have to be one good hand. You can't already done things. I know already done. I know long we are planning. Simple as this. You don't go see me back. It's after me I move further, so you're not seeing back none time. Where you go? Me I go for the one day and tomorrow whole. Yes, tomorrow whole day me now go there. Tomorrow whole day more ice and you and Daddy. No, they can't see me. And then the other day we call him idiot. Girl, if you're idiot, you can't miss it today. We call him today. I have to miss it for 24 hours before it's been missing. Okay then, when we gonna miss it for the 24 hours, I'm gonna go for the 24 hours. When we go now, but you go to take your people man, and the people man, I go call Daddy. So no call Daddy, when I go look for Daddy, Daddy say, I have kidnapped your daughter. Right in your head, you know. I have kidnapped your daughter. And we need $1 million. If you don't
so that's not really a plan. To thief for the father money and trick him, so. Me not talk to you. Are you me responsible? You have your own mother. And that's really a plan?
Listen to me. Remember say yesterday when Daddy lick you up, remember say agree to it. So all you got to do is shut your mouth. He's out here in the boat with the money and everyone out the boat. And Joan.
So what if him get heart attack and dead? When him frightened so here, so you get kidnapped.
I don't think Daddy get heart attack and dead.
Listen to me. If Daddy dead, we bury him. When all the money, John can name him.
Right, I will go get him on the side. We call him saying I've been will. Simple as that.
Where you think your father gonna get them to bring the money and make will?
Anyways, so remember, listen to me struck tight out for your good.
Let's see.
$1.5 million. Not $1 Jamaican, you know.
Why you get them $1 million?
Yes, $1 million. Put the 0.5 penny.
So where your father go get that they read the money to pay ransom?
Money, actually, you know, if it money for Daddy. Anyways, no. So you see, if Daddy say, you know, have the $1 million set time, tell him to pay 100,000, and if he pay down penny, we say if he pay the 100,000. You're going to let me go, and you have to go pay them penny.
You know, you talk too fast, can come like you confuse all your own self.
Okay.
Kind of make no sense.
You know, make no sense. Listen to me,
suppose Daddy don't have the 1 pound. Suppose Daddy have 1 million.
When you get the 100,000, don't get no more.
We don't get more. This is what I was say. We're going to threaten Daddy, and we're going to take picture. Oh no, and show Daddy.
You think Daddy business about she?
Take picture of your man.
And don't even business about her, much less me.
He want the business with himself.
We'll take picture of Daddy. We'll catch him half together some place and take picture of him, make him feel to say the people in Rush Party live, and they will come for him next. And Daddy don't want nobody come for him.
Well, I'm afraid for true. That might be the only way. If them release you, him not gonna pay no money. That don't make no sense. Pay the money first.
Yeah, but then 100,000
from $1 million.
I'm gonna pay the rest. That either. Jesus Christ. Listen to me. Yes,
let me ask you something. You breed and you have one pitney, right? And they kidnap a pitney until they say they want $2 million, but you did only have one. You send one and they get the pitney until they say if you pay down for the next one, and you are gonna pay down for the, or you're not gonna pay down for the. Why you have your pitney?
Hold on. No, you know why? Me not gonna have the pitney, girl. Because they not pay no money. I'm going to breed again and produce another child. The child is lucky.
Why, as much as me like you have more sense than my own pitney.
Daddy can't produce no pitney. So that is the plan.
You have sense, Kayla?
You know, say.
Go pay $1 million.
Then what you ask the $1 million for?
You have to have sense around. Some people now ask them a bit of money. Girl, say $1 million first. Me not in captivity so long, you know. Cause for Daddy,
you know what I was about when the money come, you're gonna left me, you know.
No. Me have to come to you for the money because you want the
and then you go gone.
Me have to come to you for the money first.
But when I get your money, you go leave. You say you're not staying here.
No,
she never tell her that. She said she get the money, she gone.
No, we have to go to get you some money from daddy.
No, you can't
No,
go
say,
and
this is foolishness.
Anyways.
On the time they wouldn't, they tell they with your foolish plan, cause this is foolishness. Me have too much things to do.
So she have to do enough for her old years, more than sleep.
I told you don't want to thief nobody. But
Yes, girl, me can go up. Get my Pepsi done and the sun hot.
So after today, you know, sit back and don't call me phone when daddy you have to call. And nobody go take man and a member see if you call me. Excuse me, soap. You know, long me I look for it.
So you could give me the soap, girl?
No.
Well,
bye.
Bad. You need money for you.
Mama, now what this navigation will not work. Let me not just left back and right here, so. Sure. Can't man, man. That's why I don't leave my yard. Hi, come here.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm sorry for touch you. Good morning.
Morning.
You know where me Charmaine live?
Yeah, never.
Girl, me I try to find the people them yard. You have one that named Kayla.
Just for Charmaine?
Oh, me know, me never know you look.
So you want to know her, you know she look. Oh, yes, me know her. No, I'm a fact. Me know Kayla, because Kayla my sister. Yes. So, Miss Charmaine live and I go straight.
Yeah.
Bust a left, you bust a right, you bust a left, you bust a right, and then I go up.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
So, I first time I come here?
Yes, your first time I did come here, me done last with Google navigation.
Oh. So you use Google Navigation last?
Girl, it come like they do update Google map. You know where I do? You have me a walk go here, so it put me there, so put me there, so put me here, so put me there, so.
Oh, so.
And then me end up right back here, so.
Yeah, something you can't come to Charmaine?
No, what me have to give Charmaine me there? Me come here, no. My papa tell me, say, me and Kayla related.
Oh, so you come for holiday?
Maybe me come for spend time, but wait. If me and Kayla related, and Kayla
Me not think
and
me
your
related.
sister.
Anyway, go on this later. Wish you all the best.
Ah, that's why you're here now, growing up, girl. You're too damn wrinkly. Miss Charmaine.
Hi. Hello?
Hello. Oh, you answer quick door. Good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
No, me daddy tell me say Milan want room for me, so me reach now.
Daddy? Who
Yeah.
your daddy?
Popeye.
Your Popeye daughter?
Yeah, I want me not look like it.
Kayla, come here. You really a Popeye daughter for true?
Me not tell her no prank, why me would not tell a lie?
Kayla!
Mommy,
Quick!
quick what? Me to say me go about my business. What wrong with you?
Come here.
What happened? What has happened? What has happened?
Me think say your father depend one joke. You remember say your father come the other day and tell we say him find out say him have another daughter?
I don't think it's
So she say, me never even asked that. What's your name?
Kayla.
Kayna. Who name you?
Daddy.
You see, your papa now have no imagination. Him done have a daughter named Kayla already, and he can't go further. And
Mommy, the only thing I have to say to you is that it's your fault.
how is it my fault?
You never stop like a wild woman.
Me think said joke him and make me. We really think said joke him and make practical joke.
No practical
to get out
joke.
of the situation.
I get out of the situation. You see me now, mommy. You see me now. I go about my business. You fix this before I come back. Fix this. You deal with my mission now. You better fix it up. Cause you say she can't come here and nothing not gonna stop her. Your father daughter, and you don't care. You don't care. Come ahead, go inside.
Well, thank you.
Yes, take the bed on the right.
Okay.
No, the one on the left.
No, the one on the right.
In your bed.
The
Take the
big
one
bed.
on the left. Take the one on the left.
I mean, they want to see me.
Little girl cross that. Who you are? Who you are to stand pan? Remember who me be?
Mommy, you see me explain something. You see, you're all the other side. You see this? This don't mean like battle you. This mean like when you talk to your friend and say, Girl.
Oh, now me understand. Me understand now. Go on.
Okay. You know what I mean? She said, me psycho. See, before I return, you better read that. Because I go look for Shanice's friend and make Shanice know what I want. You see, before I return, you better get read of that.
Things say in our return.
Me a return. Me not gonna return. You deal with that. Me not touch that right now. Money no one.
I don't know how this a go.
Oh, God. Oh, why you good?
Yeah, man, you know, say me there, you catch people cold birds.
Right now, me there stressed out. And my sister me look for and can't find her. But you know, for she, I may go buy a drink or something.
Where am I go?
I don't know, probably at the bar or something or a restaurant.
Dirty girl. Okay. So I say who like cross my family, them a walk and I take me one little man on me find it.
Hello.
You all I just want big set of cosmite. For you know your sister.
No, no, Shanice, this a Kayla this. I don't mean I take a man.
I got take me man.
No.
Two I take me man.
You know what?
Me not put you out what there.
Put me out for foolish.
Put
me out for foolish.
Why you dey follow me up for real?
Me not follow up you.
Are you own money
saying that? Left me.
Oh,
Me them a cosmite girl.
Oh, yeah, cosmate girl.
I said the big one Shanice. No, I said don't know body one yeah. We walk and take everybody man for the lane.
Me tell you this, my body don't gone out, and this is not my sister, so don't come out the body and stay with me dirty girl. I'm a...
Hey girl.
What?
That's the next time. Me see you with another girl. I'll kill me, I kill her. Hey, dirty girl. That look dirty girl. You can't walk on everybody all over this place.
Yo, me not tell her top, bro. I said they set up for me.
Yes,
me don't want it anymore.
Want me for what? Just for more look work? You want them with them a loose hole, girl, but it's alright.
Bro.
No, you're not tired.
I'm telling you.
Oh, no. Girl.
Where you come from?
Hi. Your dirty friends told me. Hey, that dirty girl what they are war off you. Yes.
Stand for why?
The girl see me up the road with my man, you know.
With your man?
With my man and
a man?
Yes. Me just say me I want to spook on a female alone. The girl just told me and I say, I fear her man. What we at?
So she see you with that man?
Not a man there, you know that war over.
No. But me could be different. Me could be live down the road. And when you bust a left, you bust a right, you bust a left, you bust a right, and then you go over the big hill.
Oh.
That's my marriage.
So the girl have two man and one left me with the one there and the one left him, you know. The boy left him. So in two man left him one time.
Look.
The boy tall and he hair plats up and him nose big.
Oh my.
How are you ugly?
No. I don't know that one there. Tell her this a different man. Me I thought down the road. When you bust a left, you bust a right, you bust a left, you bust a right, you bust a left, you bust a right.
Well, my man, you have to bust no left, nor bust no right. One thing he bust on me. But anyways, girl, me just got deal with she. Can't know say my head, man, you know.
Man, she deal with you.
No. I catch me off guard. Because if I ever fist out with it, go, me would have win, but no, I be a big stone.
I think if you just left the man.
Left the man, yeah, idiot. Why you left the one where you're there with PR? Me not left the man. Right now, me I come go right now.
So where man there now?
Up the road.
Alright, me I go up the road later.
Alright. Me I go deal with the mission and me I go deal with.
Alright. Timmy.
Hello.
Hi. So me go up the road and me never see how long they reach down.
About 5 minutes ago.
Oh, you walk fast. So what go on?
Yeah, so there, just when it's some food and a scroll 3 meter.
So you tell me say little time I left for up the road, you come down, eat food and stuff?
No, I did cook before I left the yard one.
Well, stills I hear me here, so two girls fight over you.
Fight over me?
Yes.
What?
And one of them not London, me right? Trust. You see him, Marga? A sick, making can't gain weight, yeah?
Two girls them that fight over me.
The one where you put out and one next one named Kayla.
So how Kayla fight over me and me and Kayla not there?
Well, I never saw you pay the pitch. You pay the pitch as if you're not there, and then she make you put out the other one.
No,
That's a Riri, my friend.
No,
Which one am my friend again?
False alarm that I put out Riri because she want to look for her coming interested in her.
Oh, well. You see the Margo one? She have AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis. One next one, another one of them. Autosafety. Enough of them. All one way making body sick. You see when I'm back part, he rush up and full of bump. You know, see him can't get no weight in very maga. In sick bad.
Glad me never did I look at her still.
See, you know, never lie down.
Yeah, mad, me no like.
Well, me not more the advice if you go that direction. They say the direction they come with enough stress and doctor bill and something. You good to lose your cock. I don't think if you go.
We not going to someone.
Oh, so you alright?
Yeah, man.
So which day you gonna make me come sleep with you and spend the day or something?
Anytime I'm ready, man, I'm one day, you know.
Alright, so one of them day I come check him. I go back down the road.
Alright.
Alright.
Dirty girl, every one of them cause my girl they take my man. Yeah, what do my man so? Hi there! Are you? You see you? You see your daughter when you Kayla? Ah, she take my man, you know. Your two daughter they were walking and take my man.
Hello. Let me ask you a question. Am I see them? Right? But me no business in a look cover
They need to pull up their socks. They need to pull up their socks. That's what they need to do because they just walking and fling their body all over the place.
Let me ask you a question. Are you a man?
I never anybody else, man. I'm not.
Alright. You did go to church and put ring on your finger.
No, not yet. Never reached that
So
part.
how it belongs to you? You notice that if you even, you see that shop there, so? If you even open it and go in it, it cannot belong to you. Even if you go there every day. You didn't know that? Not until you have papers. Even if me
Well,
own
me
it
have papers.
and give it. If you don't have
Me
papers,
have
you can.
papers.
Papers to what, man?
Yeah.
I since when you give papers to man, I ain't married.
Eh?
When you young,
Me have
don't
birth
fight.
paper.
I wonder if you're born with sense. Stop fight over man, you know, necessary. You're young, you're green.
Me have to fight over someone belongs to me. I'm sorry. Too bad.
So, alright, go and fight.
Go kill one of them.
Yeah, man, do it. Murderize them, man. And when they reach in a hospital or jail, the man got plenty woman.
Yeah, murder. I go murder one of them.
Yeah,
One day,
wait till I only one Taylor, you see.
Watch.
But see, she thinks a free ride. Kana!
Yes.
Come here a minute, please, and thanks. It's not gonna work. Let me tell you something. You come here and may accept you and everything, but in this yard, everybody pull them weight. You come here and you've been here for how many hours? You know, even say, you see the yard dirty, you know, say, make you pick up the rake, and since this is going to be a yard, your father tell you, say, him a build room for you. Your father tell you, say, him accept you and everything, so me can't argue with that. Nor do I intend to.
So let me ask you something now. You feel say me just reach and me come sit on your yard, so you feel like me feel tidy it up. You don't feel like you shouldn't tidy it up for welcome me or something. Never feel
Me
like
know
Oh
you
God,
come.
it's so hot.
Huh, right person.
Are you there, my daughter?
yeah.
You come. Good. Yeah, everything. You never treat you good.
She just tell me to clean up yard and me come here for find it. So you see me the day I want 1 week, 2 weeks or so, me would have no problem with
Hi.
cleaning
Are
up.
you?
May I explain to...
No, listen.
She feel
Stick up
clean
in.
up yard for
May I
welcome me.
explain to your daughter, say, everybody here pull them weight.
No, everybody here pull them weight. But if when you come on to minute, when you come,
Your jacket and tie and coat and everything.
yeah, full suit, no matter whether jacket,
Three-piece
tie, and
suit
coat.
and everything, yes.
She just come, you cannot give her work. You have to wait till...
You see me pick up no rag, put in her hand? Me call her out and explain how things run. Me even say to her, say, me have to accept her. Because from you accept her and claim her as yours, I eat that.
No, you want me.
Me even say that to her.
Me do DNA. Me I go do DNA.
You see what's starting to start
I'm
good
not
the
talking
morning?
about that right now. I'm talking about this. You see, if you do the clean up on the yard, people will come back out and see where they see it.
If your daughters Me no drink them the thing and me no raise scale upon them the things, buckle drink and thing. A fruit drink is your other daughter, your other jacket and coat and tie. I come drop cause she not no manners. Huh? You see nothing, nothing in the yard that me and Kayla use?
You see, you are judge other people picking I call them jacket. Me, I cheer them, you know. And I go and carry the tree and then go do DNA. And I go and say, who is the jacket? But for that, me I put that aside and put it down for now. Make it time to have some money, me I run upon it, cause big money is coming. So as me I say, yeah, big money is coming. So when you go back in a school, because you're 17, your future not done yet. So if film picking no one work, that's my daughter. No one work, man. The other one, same thing, no one work, man. So what you want to do?
Work.
Good. So I will spend my money, put it through college. Where you want being alive?
If I'm a marine biologist.
Where you call marine biologist?
Sea, water, animals, study.
You're mad, somebody.
What happened to that?
Where you want to go in the water go do? Study what? Animal can chat?
I don't know about no animal can chat. That they have money. You look for $1 million US.
No!
Now you're talking language.
Jesus! 1 million US.
Dollar a month time. Yes. But it all depends on the section where you're in.
Why my sweat?
Take time down. Yeah. Yes, I hate to make it stay. Make it turn down then.
Oh yeah, it's so frightened.
1 million.
US and I'm not Jamaican, US.
US.
Yeah.
You think a Jamaican you talk?
No, US. Cause remember you go beneath TC and you stay down there for a while.
Stay down there, don't come out. My daughter, if you go down there, don't come out.
What do you mean by?
Live down there and just transfer money to your father.
If me not come out, me can't go transfer money, so we have to go come out.
No, you use the online banking.
You got the bill water.
Wi-Fi have it down there. The island technology, them put down card and everything down there and give Wi-Fi and everything, my daughter. We don't need to have no communication. All they come from video call, ask me alright, if me good, you transfer money to me.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you just transfer $10 million every month in a Jamaican. I'm not talking US, because I'm not pressure your pocket. 10 million is good for me. But, you see, good data come with good responsibility and money. Go on in with that. I go rest your brain. No?
Yeah,
me straight up in yard. Don't worry about nothing here. As long as you're there, nothing at all. We will clean up the place.
Okay.
You witness that?
Eh? You know what she do? Marine biologic.
That means you definitely fit the DNA. Cause you hear the brains and the money and the breed ambition this one have, so you better check that yours. This one have brains pan our head.
In favor of me, look good.
Eh, what,
yes,
cause she brown?
Complexion.
Yeah, really, yeah, cause she brown.
Yes!
Are you one have brown picnic? Are you one make brown picnic in the world?
No. But you know, see you, like
how she have brains. Double check.
Well then, and then me I walk and look from morning, cause I tell them to me I go tomorrow, and me I go pan no, I'm not sure me not go tomorrow. Me think me want see a little bit and help out in the yard. So, my daughter, alright, I stood.
This one really have influence by you. You got to what?
Yeah, me not bother go nowhere. Me just go stay here, clean up the place, and cook and everything and make everybody alright. Cause we now have a marine biologic. Now, if you go tell me, what you have for?
Kena!
Girl,
grab your suitcase, my girl. Come live here for good. You got to what? She influence you for the what?
Me cook, clean up the yard and everything, wash everybody clothes, panty, everything. Everybody alright, everybody good. Nobody stressed, nobody fret. Because me have one big money, I come differently from that, you know. Me not worry about fear money, you know. You see the big money when me I get, I hit me, I go punch in our college. You're starting college next week. Yeah. But put her in a college. How much subject you get?
Wow, new man this.
What's that?
Me never see you so excited about picnic.
No,
education and their business and
yes,
wow, new man.
See, if your daughter,
you have to look good.
You see, if your daughter did a function like that, we would have the fly plane right now. Not sitting there, no, would have the fly.
For we daughter and for your daughter, yes.
You see
Me
what she
not
can't take
deny
up?
that. Me not deny
You see
that.
what she
Oh
around now?
God, we lose half of them.
Right, you see what she never run now? Man.
Them have to go learn the hard way.
Next thing again, if you go down Bellevue for one of them, to admit one, and when I go down a mag, go see him find one casket for one.
Alright, nobody call that down.
Because
I mean, I know which one you talk for which one. So nobody explain it, change the subject, and nobody call that down. I mean, I like your other picnic, but still, I don't want nothing happen to her still.
you know why I come over here look for them? You know why I come to Kayla? I come down a while ago and book a power slim girl, you see, and girl, let me did get the work. Take Kayla, take her man, and he nearly bust his head. That's why me come down here.
So you see Kayla no?
No,
Hey.
me not see her, and she me I look for. Cause me want to ask him, say, if a man, she want dead over, or alive, what she want?
Whoa. Me talk. When them like that, you know, me I hope say them change their mind and go look at work. Me want Kayla rub off on Kayla.
No.
Me never like
Me
how you
don't want my penny luck. Run off on the next
no,
one.
but
them.
like how she influenced you and changed you, kick her them baptism. Me want she, maybe she can change your daughter same way, so, for the better.
She cannot change. She gone through the door. Anything we go through the door
Nothing
can't come
impossible.
back.
From there is
No.
life, there is hope. You give up too quick on your
No.
picnic.
Me show you something. I'll teach you something. Can you see, Uno use your stuff. When you sweep out dirt, can it go back into the house?
Let me teach you something.
When you sweep out rubbish, does it go back into the house? No. It don't go back in there. When you cook food and you scrape out everything out of the pot and you put it in your belly, can you put it back in the pot? No. When you go to shop and you buy drinks and you pull it and you drink even half of it, can you bring it to the shop back unless it's spoiled? No. So tell me now, why you think say you could have changed her when she done, gone already? You should have bent the tree when the tree grew. Just like how our mother bent her.
Well, let me ask you something. How old Kayla be?
18.
How old you be?
30 odd.
And me see you change with the little word, with the little drop of words your daughter say. And me see you change in front of my eyes. So why is it okay for you to change? Oh, no man run so you know, that's what I like with a man, you know.
I had the brain.
It's alright for man to do and what them want, and it's alright for man to change instantly. But nobody else can change. Nobody else have a chance.
You ever sit down and teach your daughter A from B? No, you never do that. You never do that. Me never yet seen coming with that homework and you sit down with it. On parents, this
how
is the thing we don't know.
How often you there when you do with your other and your other and your other and your other and you drop and a drop and a drop? How often you there for so me?
I have to work.
Yeah, me see. You know what kind of work you do? Next week another picnic come. Girl or boy this time.
It don't matter. I could have 100 coming.
Me know what kind of work you do.
Me still send them.
Yes, but you accuse me and you don't have no idea.
Me send her to
not
school.
Not name idea what me do for Kayla.
Me send her to school, not true.
You think say that raise picnic? A teacher raise picnic, man.
No,
a teacher raise picnic.
Let me tell you something. Father done that job. You see when you find a good man like me, where maintain them picnic go to school and reach 11th grade and then reach 6th farm and then reach higher 6. You have to thank God for them, my father. Because some of them man nowadays, if you want a woman, say them pregnant,
then start deny that.
With this one the belly, then start do this, then start buy pill, give woman with dash your belly, and I know say them a dash the future. Then so, you know how much lawyer and doctor people dash in a belly. You know what footballer people dash in a belly.
I'll get that.
When you dash it, then the first set there and you go back and breathe. Me know say God, because I God alone give them one to come torment them for the rest of their life. You see, they always say when they dash your belly. Baby, I go ball a cemetery, call out the name, and that's how it go. When they dash the amount of belly and then you burn one picnic after that. And the same picnic where you burn after that, they go revenge for it of attack. You understand? And that most people don't understand. Stop dash your belly. It don't matter. Even if you breathe and the man run away, carry, suffer with it. That same one that way you suffer with, God will provide you. Don't dash what inside of you because it's life. When you dash away, you can end up dead. You see me? Some of them young girls too, then careless because their mama sit down and I push them to school and their mama not have it. And them.
The careless work both sides. Everything I push pan woman. It work both sides.
Listen, me done cause the man them to them work this when they come out to woman and then breathe and run off. You really
preach pan woman.
You really go find a man who stand up in them picking life, right?
True.
Look on the woman them now. And they picking them. You see the girl picking them now? They have to sit down and take a lesson. They have to look at them and say, boy, I'm mommy one. Mommy just hold up my head. Some of them, they make man influence them in Ghana man yard. Open up them catches get boxed out. Boom. Man go and enjoy themselves. Now give them nothing to buy soap. And mommy, them a torment and them a cuss them mother face with them mama. Over. When them breed, the man then dump them. Sometimes the underage them too. When them breed and then tell the man to them breed, the man them get rid of them because they're underage, they're under 16.
Too often.
So that is the problem. Me I try to show you that's why the country cannot be stabilized if we don't stand up in the younger generation them life. We as a big man we see them and turn our heads up. You see me? Uno big woman, we see the young boy them and turn on their heads up. Low them. Make them survive too. Cause it's not only go be with girl picking you come notice and me see all man with this whole boy. Yes, because all the man him a pumping and the all man a mind him, you know. But me talk to you another day, me can't, right now, I'm hungry.
You can't take the preaching anyway. Alright.
Listen. Yeah, man. Just the right person, me did want to not really the right person because I kill him, me did want to speak.
If you want to kill you, no go and daddy ever they tap me like you care about me. What you want?
No, listen, I kill him, I want to see. But anyway, you heard nothing about Kayla early on today?
She didn't know a little fight.
Right. So, me bring her up on the earth to fight girl over man.
Listen to me. I have the man first. Then Kayla gonna take the man, but Kayla don't know that I'm taking the man. But anyways, the girl beat Kayla.
Alright, let me ask you a question. How you know say you have the man first? You take the man from birth and raise him?
No.
So how you gonna know if you have the man first?
We take him from Riri and I groom him.
Okay. So you take the girl man, after you and the girl a friend, and I groom him. You see how wicked you be?
No. You see how selfish I am. I'm all for myself, not wicked.
You can't think for yourself.
Why?
You have to think for others.
Like who?
Like your friend.
You're not my friend. Listen to me. You see, Riri is not my friend. Riri is my associate. Me a dance, but me know the meaning of friend, different from associate. Me just can't tell her the meaning. Me have to go up and Google. I'm on the internet now. As me I say, a friend is something you tell everything. Me not tell Riri everything. I tell her say me want her man.
All the day of my life, me work. Found in a belly, me not top work. Me sending them to what? Basic. Primary, high school,
and that's it. No, you never send me guys 6 form, remember?
I send you to 6 form, but upper 6, I did have to stop.
You should have sent me to upper 6 and then you could have talked about 6 form.
Me couldn't send you go there.
Daddy, what problem? You need to go down the road.
Susie, you remember Susie? Next door, Susie, started your mother?
Yes, what do I? She dead?
No, and she made me know say she didn't take her husband.
You don't remember crying?
So you admit it now?
Her husband did want me.
So you admit it now?
She don't lose little weight, the sugar dead and them are done, so her man never have enough grip on her back. So him just...
You only young people ever wonder why you not make it far in a life?
Listen to me.
No
me are 17, soon 18. Me come far. Enough dead before they reach 10.
No. Let me tell you something. Enough dead before they even born, yes? But me try show you something.
Hey.
Look at my daughter when me just find out that me have a next daughter. You know what she want me? And I'm so proud. I'm marine logical.
Why?
Huh?
Why she want to do that work there?
Because it's 1 million.
And money she do it for no love she love it. Money she love. See if you know,
right.
me I tell people man come have money and easy life. Me want cock up in them bed and order burger and get burger. Me want lie down and order KC and get KC. Me want lie down and order wingers and get wingers. The rain a come speak a man for all the peace man go down go pay
Let me
me
tell you,
arm
I last
only.
thing me tell you, because when I come. Look at Yvette. You see what happened to Yvette? In go a gal man yard, right?
Yvette never
And
have
left
no
him jaws
sense.
there, and she maga down till
That's
she
the
dead.
thing, she never have no sense.
One, call no sense. One.
Oh God. So where Kayla there? Can you see I look for Kayla?
I don't see Kayla. And she me want shatter her box.
Well, me no know especially. I think if I ask Riri for her, cause Riri beat her.
Really? Alright. You wait.
Boy, sir. When that girl Irina come.
Miss Charmaine?
Cool, you are bruising without even knock. Good
Why
morning.
am I supposed to knock on my payard? Mr. Sometimes me
You
I
could
wonder
have
if me
naked
a half
in
fan.
here.
Me no know if mom look. Me no know how best look when they suck out. Sometimes you deal with me very much unfair.
All me say is you just push door and come in.
How
Even
far?
Kayla now kind of fear Papa yard too.
Well, Kayla idiot me da not. Me no know her name, so me must say me drop out of school faster. As me I say, good evening.
Good evening.
Me like how you be in a Jamaica shirt. Remember the plan where we are Kayla back? The plan has begun now, so...
That the foolish arguments and the chat outside.
Come on. You never believe see a plan? You
And I
didn't think
really
you
I got
see her?
through with it.
Yes, and if you don't see her from yesterday.
Hello.
Yeah.
You see what knocking is? You see what knocking is? That is what is called manners.
Me did meet her one time, but up to now she don't tell me and her. How she do you see me?
Hey, you don't know your sister.
Me what?
You don't know your sister.
Me what?
Well, let me tell you since you hold on,
Daddy
since you...
daughter, but she?
Yes, meet your sister.
One and
Meet Kay now. Maybe she can rub her phone because she have ambition.
Oh, so I feel like me and Kayla
Stop
jacket.
open up your nose so I feel like you're suction and you're sucking me in.
I feel like me and Kayla jacket. Look on the complexion and look on this and look on Kayla one.
Or me feel like I'm not take you for no matter. But anyways, me hear someone like no plan say.
No plan nothing, girl. Me just gonna look for me Charmy and ask her how is Kayla doing, cause me not be seeing Kayla from morning.
Oh. From me see her one time, I see her again. Me see her was
Me now whisper, sneeze, a blind.
Sneeze in her lady ears.
No, me sneeze. You see me sneeze so. If I come in and you act like me saying of skills and skills.
Kayna, I tell you already, you can stay here forever and ever and ever. Here, because you must say Jesus himself. Because from you come, me see your father change over second, not overnight. And she, not like me normally, and you come in now, and she's my best friend. So, you know what kind of work you do and what kind of things you do. But, apparently she won't talk to me quietly for a minute.
Say no. But it just say no, I was for me. I said, what the could I not your chat about?
All right, some food in the kitchen, something in the pot for your cover up. Leave some food in the kitchen for you. Go heat it up. May I come? No man, everything good. Let me come. I was so no.
Yes. So we are trying to say the plan begin now. So you're not gonna see Kayla from...
Which plan? You think we go?
Well, your sister
Yeah, really? Me papa beat me. Oh, she knows it so. Miss Charmian, listen. You're not gonna see Kayla as of now. I sit down at that's up we make the call. So
really I got you.
yes, we really are gonna try. So you see when you get the news, you just act like you never know. Later. Anyways. You're up in your ages and I need rum. And the cologne look nice. Later.
What really are going on here? Oh, what am I saying now?
Yeah, man. Oh, man. No, man. Yeah, that.
And what do you know?
No, me have to really come here, country. When my two daughter there, Kayla there, right?
2 or 3?
Three.
You
But
forget how
two
much
stay
time.
here under your roof. Where is Kayla?
Well, you know, she's supposed to be with you.
They were me there.
Yeah.
So I'm not joking then.
You talk about you.
I get a call since not too long. Say, they have my daughter. I'm going to find $1 million. If I can't find $1 million, we can bring 100,000 come put on in our bush. Eh?
What? What you say, what?
So,
Really,
more,
I do it for true. What?
Kayla don't see everything.
Me not see Kayla from Kayla left yesterday morning, so she gonna look for you to get money from you cause she hungry. Kayla tell me, say she go on a road, go and find you cause she hungry. And me even a reminder, cause she be frightened how she said she no mention nothing about man. I you she come look for her food.
No, but, me not understand this. Me not understand this. I try to balance myself. Me not understand.
So where you gonna get 100 million, 100 what? Where you gonna get that from?
1 million if me not had that, 100,000 come.
So who phone you?
Me?
What? Tell me how the phone call go. How it go?
Get the call and me a ball for the phone. That is some man who want to talk to you. I mean, say, hello, boom, $1 million. If me not have that, me have to go find 100,000. I know. Look, remember my daughter come and my daughter go study marine biological boy one and that's something there.
Are the two of them whole? Or just Kayla?
Just Kayla.
Jesus.
Your fault. Really? Because I left my picking them on the roof with food and things.
Hi, stick up in. How is it my fault? Instead of blaming me, you feel where I find the money for ransom your picnic. Huh? How you come blame me? Where you come find me?
Yeah.
So how me for blame? You cheat in the yard and tell me say she come find you. I'm gonna see you, I'm gonna see she. So how people would wrong me think say my daughter there with her papa? Before you do that, how you gonna raise the million? You've come here for raise the million. How you gonna raise the million for the baby?
Me say, when I get the call, man, food never buy it. We couldn't even buy the food.
No, man, every penny counts. Every penny counts.
Every penny counts.
Every penny counts. Where you gonna get million from? You can't buy bags food now when you have to pinch and
all in my mind right now, you know, come check if a prank or a joke, you know.
Which kind of prank? And you say you talk to her?
Right. All in my mind right now, you know. Remember every time when we talk to her, she said she had one big man and she reached age, you know what she want to do.
But serious.
Cause she move out. So anyway, she there. When they hold her, she going to stay there.
You really mean to say you're not even gonna try to help with picnic? You look me in the eyes and tell me say you're not even going to try? Right, you know me a privacy. How me I go beg girl? Now if I go beg Miss Diana and Miss Christine coming now, so them partner money will come soon. Now if I go beg Miss Christine and Diana, you not even try. That me not like with you know. Like say you not care, but she can stay.
Let me teach you something. You're glad too. One female, how you go? I did 3 on there. Less than now, 2. So we can send my daughter to a college.
Let me tell you something here and now. Let me tell you something because Kayla life no matter to you because you no push no pick me out. You no go through no pain and you hardly there.
Interested in a work or being something.
Interested in that. I will pick me.
Take me $1 million and me 100,000.
So you have it. You have it.
Yeah.
Man, you better provide it for my picnic, you know?
No, listen.
Make them anything name there.
Yeah, you me, yes, sir. Me, if you take up my $1 million or 100,000, right? If you go free for a ransom, and then when me free for a ransom, you go breathe up and can't hold it for bastard to come in here. And cost me more than what
you gone that far ahead and you don't even know. Them tell you when by. You know what them are going to do to a picnic?
I do business. You go and tande.
Well, tell me where the money, then me will find it. And me will pay you back out of Miss Christine and Dion, thing money. And me love my picnic.
You want to know what money? Follow me aside to a man time out. That's why you have to follow me.
I'm a secure business, you deaf man. Me can't take you serious because you could never really get a call, say, for we picnic, hold for ransom. I joke here, man. So you couldn't get no call, sir. And I go on, sir. That's why me can't take you serious more time.
I mean, I got so.
That's why I say this have to be a joke because you could never get a phone call for ransom for we picnic.
You don't have the money.
Let me get you on the phone. Yeah, call you take this thing for joke. Somebody must take it for joke.
You don't have the money. Are you got so?
You tell me, say you have the money. Yeah. I'm a prank. Can you tell me, say you have the money? That alone make me think so.
I have 900,000. Right? Because when you tell me the big money is coming, I have 900,000. Which that is not the big money coming yet. That is just a little token from a little generous ambassador with me and my friend long time. That is just a token because I real fan in place, I secure in place, so you give me that as a token. You see why am I going to give me for land? Big.
Well, make him, since you get the phone call, make him lend you this and lend you that and pay the ransom money. I joke you, them take this thing for, so you can't be serious. I wonder if you love your daughter.
Me love my daughter. You love your daughter?
Because if you love your daughter, you could never take this seriously.
Answer me question. You love your daughter, yes or no?
Me want to know who carry her, who raise her, who mind her when she's sick, and who wipe her tears when you let her down.
Answer me question, I need to go. You love your daughter, yes or no?
Go long then, no?
Answer me now. You love your daughter, yes or no?
Of course, me love my picnic.
Alright, I'll get the number, you call them back and tell you I have to explain to that.
Man, come out here before you annoy me. Come perplex my brain with this foolishness. Backside and do it. Do it for true. Why?
Charmaine! Hello, buddy.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
You can't do it for your bathroom ever clean.
You come for rank with me or you come for
never
talk?
come for rank with us, Ma'am. Evelyn.
Good evening.
Where daddy say no about Kayla and money and something.
We're telling us that the plan not go work.
What do you mean by not?
Not long after you leave, your papa come in. I get phone call. Them whole Kayla. But long and short of it, him no business. Whoever wanna get for phone him, soft soap, him not scare him. Him tell me say him have the money, but it's less mouth for feet. So him no business. Is
that true?
Him no business, and I never scare him. But tell him to say with that full plan, him not gonna take it for serious, man. Him not take it serious.
Hello.
Girl.
Yes, what's the problem now?
Well, me get news for you. Me have bad news and me have good news. Which one do you want to hear first?
Girl, after if you tell me see you get the money.
Girl, me have bad news and me have good news. Which one do you want to hear?
Good news.
The good news is Daddy have the money.
Well, that's nice then. Lovely.
Yes, very nice. Want to hear the bad news?
Mm-hmm.
Your mother says so you feel dead. Let's mouth for feed.
In the business, girl, so you might as well come home. A full plan no work.
Me tired for telling us that you're not doing the job properly. You need to do the job properly and not do the job good. Listen to me. Put the phone on speaker because you don't have no sense. Put the phone on speaker if your phone not on speaker. You hear me? I say clearly.
Kayla.
Yes, mommy.
Me tell you, say that the full plan you have, a foolishness, it now work.
Oh, you do the job good.
And you couldn't move, you have to use idiot for talk on phone. It's my way make.
Girl. Girl. Are you do the talking? Are you people a man?
Miss.
Alright. Me talk for you. Let me talk for you for the last single time. Sister Taria, tell Daddy say the man say if you no bring the money come, they're gonna kidnap him later.
Oh God. Walk on,
Your daughter
Oh,
come
you
look
love
for
how
you.
Huh?
Your daughter
Oh, you
come
gonna look
look
for
for
me?
you.
Wonderful, wonderful. I like that. Act like a lady, think like a boss, and you're not doing that.
Never ask
You
you.
wear a wonderful shirt, but you're not doing that. So what? Come here, we're talking to you. What we
You're
are-
talking to me, but I don't have to talk to you. I reach the age of consent. You pick me up to go look for.
I wouldn't like that. I like that. So, what's fucking? Any news for me?
The only news you're concerned with is your missing daughter.
Well, listen, you miss her?
You know where Kayla is? You know where Kayla is?
I don't give
She's
a
still not
damn.
come home.
I
And
don't
the way
care.
that girl belly ever hungry and arm or ever dry. You know, even,
Good. Food is turning that out and spoil. I don't care. I don't give a damn. She wanna live, she live. She wanna eat, she eat. She wanna poop, she poop. She wanna do what she wanna do, she do what she wanna do. I don't care. I don't give a damn.
just remember, say, the brick the builder refuse can become the head cornerstone. You put
Well,
all of your
alright.
faith in a
When
Cana.
I was
She bright, yes, but don't lose faith in it. Even the other Miss Ultimacy one that just
that one
gone.
there, I grown that to
Anything
go
is
dig.
possible.
Wrong. Nothing more than wrong go fitting. Cause this is what them think about man pocket. They don't know why no man pocket, you know, but yet them they form man pocket. Me tell her about Yvette, you know. Me tell her about Yvette. Yvette go take the people, them man. And left in jars, they got in jars, you know. And the people, them yard, you know. And the woman take it, go and hobby a man. Go hobby the girl. Yvette go from doctor to doctor, from doctor to doctor,
Can't
from pastor
cure.
to pastor. Nobody don't know what's wrong with her. She just maga down. But they think I cancer the woman, you know. One time they think I hate. All me used to take a chopper off it one time, me fret. I find
You're
doctor
a brute, yo.
I find doctor on top of doctor. I find doctor for check me have hate. Every month that's what me I check. Every month. Till doctor say, now if you come back again, man, you go there clean, you're alright.
You're too girly. If you never so girly, you would not fret.
What you mean by too girly?
If you don't know what that mean.
I wish man no move for anything when I move. Yes, anything when
Man
them
with
put.
discipline and man with self-control.
They're done. No discipline, man.
Now mark every man in Europe.
No, not that.
Nobody take your fat fry. Every man, you know, there is and there. Not every man is like you.
Hold on there. Anna? Mr. Big Man, let me tell you something. I don't care about she. I now go send my big money. If you want
Pay
that,
them.
I have to.
We will pay you. We will pay you. Me want me pick me back. Pay them.
Pure. I had 2 daughters left. You can't. You what?
We will pay you. We will pay. We want Michaela back. What happened to Michaela? Get my daughter back.
You know me. I have a picture of me.
Jesus.
And you will find me. Analyze me if you want.
Him have the money. We are send the money come.
What me do? That you want to analyze me. Take me daughter money.
Unalive him and keep my daughter. Not do nothing to me baby.
Me not call no police for you. Just take her, man. Go and take something out of her. She has something.
Me will lick it. Don't do nothing to me baby. Take him instead.
Alright.
Send the money.
Me 100,000.
You're brute. You send the money.
Me 100,000. For my life. Me pay for my life. Me 100,000. Me do anything.
Life for life. Give me back my picnic.
Alright, me here. Yes, sir. Yeah. No problem, sir.
Yeah, give him the money.
Soon, sir.
Yeah, give him the money. Me no business with you. Yeah, get me picnic back.
We can't talk to you.
Make sure you give them the money, you know. Lordy walk. Yes.
Ask you one more time. Yeah, how much?
Me a 18, daddy.
So what that means?
But that for me no big.
Yes, you could go look work.
Jeez, am I a man that? Him got money? Yes. And look, sir.
So if you have money, you go dress like you have money?
Any man me there and he have money, you have to just go do copy man and a
I only a harlot just so. You hear me I say?
Where me a harlot?
Then
Yeah, daddy. Yeah. So put on decent clothes and no fuck on anyone.
that's how you dress every morning when you're going on the road, whether you go to the beach, whether you go to the shop, you must look elegant. No, you're a lady.
You know that you talk, yes, so. You talk this, so. Talk this, now. Thank you.
Benjamin, be too away.
Hello. Taking up him, right?
We can't manage him, so I'm not taking him up.
Tracy in this, right? Bam. When he's done with you, juke out your rock, plumb you, dig you, water you, belly come, pick the band, take the road.
No. If you take the road, the people go against you another man.
She's that guy. No. Look at.
We are Gobby.
No. What you do with my man? What you do with my man? Run.
Put it on, I have put up my man. Put it on.
I love you.
With your man. No, I have put up your man. Put it on, I have put up your man. No, your man.
Put it up.
We man, why you always the same man? You're part-time too.
Shut up, woman. I like it.
I'm stay on the compound because they can have sex in the bathroom. Some of them are either have sex in the bathroom. Back in the days when we used to go to school and that happened. You see our teacher, some of the teacher them are mingle on the speaking them too. You see, especially the coach. You see the running team them, the coach them are perfect.
I know like you tell her no.
This is totally disrespect. I saw no be able to nobody and make them have everything about to know if it's
Who?
why you always beat her? Who does say is a woman beat her?
No, we work hard.
So why you choose to stay with them kind of man here?
One bulla and one bag juice and you eat and drink it yourself. And remember say me and you live under my roof today.
Go get a piece.
And you me I think about you're ungrateful enough.
Come on, get a piece.
You go give me a piece. Give me. Nyami and full your belly. You're too crave me. Eat it. Chew your mouth. Chew quick. Quick and fast. Chew it.
Never cook. Never cook.
We are do.
How are you?
We are not do yourself.
How are you?
I'm the mother of the killer boy. What do you think you do? Kick her one more time. Kick her one more time. Kick her again now. Kick her. Kick her. Me say kick her.
No, man.
Kick her now.
Regular window. I think
Auntie? What? Put it on. Me have big news to tell you. Put it on. Remember go for the woman already said me no come there time for she. Cause she love beg for you. But me I tell her say you won't believe what I want for mommy and the man I beat him. Me go see the man I give him some kick, thump, box everything.
Melody has a look at her.
What's wrong with her?
I like the look star. She looks scary.
But then I have to be kind of lonely, you know. That's my company talk to you sometimes do a year or two.
Hi, girl.
Yeah.
Girl, name me, I call him.
No.
I'm gonna get her with my phone, one man, girl.
Yeah, jeez, please don't tell me say I want broke man go pan go pick up.
No, a contractor.
Oh.
You have you look at the team on the girl? I want to look at her. So she's not really bad. She's nice and cute, so. Yeah.
I'm with the phone, me not here.
How are you there, sir?
Oh, yeah, hold on there a minute. What you ask me on me?
Yeah, in a spot, I have some hustle, you try excuse. Come, you come.
So, mama, really like to say you hustle?
Then, you know, for me look where you think, say, me, I go look work. You know, see this?
Mama, let me tell you something. You better look work.
How?
You're too young for around your body. You have to look work. You have to come there because right now, the mercy of God, they come.
The mercy of God against you. Listen to me.
Just what go on in the sky over America.
What going in the sky over America? But the America, me
This is what Elon must do.
Me busy what him want do.
And me, my daughter, anytime, man. But the next time I see sun hot, wait till the sun cool in the air.
Yeah.
Because I don't want black horse. I don't drink more, I don't know what's up with them. I light up my weed.
Me now all that's in a car pass, so we not to worry. Yeah, the fire one with that.
You look a nice, cute baby.
Excuse me. Me no want baby.
So you what then?
Baby is different. Baby is when I wear pampers and child when I wear clothes.
Oh look, man, you see.
Eat yucky and
That not up to do with me. This nah shatter man. The duff cat not the righteous so. Check out the card.
Look at you from Africa.
Yeah, people yard, you're out of that card.
My horse. If me
Come out.
get
Come out.
You must free up your
Mind my eye. Mind my eye. Take him out here because you do too much.
Man, I see.
I'm taking your chair right now.
So she a big man, she first wipe, I see.
Where you come from?
Daddy, I try to shut up. Can I know what you say?
What? Your chair
But she bright. Are you shut up to her? What this? But tell her say, Penny a big woman. Watch him.
Try shut up.
How we are talk?
The devil contest.
Man, I do whole heap of something. I just little bit of man, me. Me say, me can go obey a man. Man, I do whole heap of something.
Me backside. Wait.
How are you?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man that? Shoppy.
Yeah, dude.
You rough, me boy. Oh, rough. You ever think to go see you early morning go take a shower?
You know, so me always think about that still.
He shop this stock. No, see, they shop lock up. Me tell her if it look a crossheads, girl.
Bro, I'm just coming back, bro. Didn't you get my message?
Do I have my phone on me?
Man, you keep rolling like some waste, man.
So anyway, cut long story short. You know bring back no money.
No. Don't even go there. That's
Daddy, come back, my friend.
okay.
Come and see what you're
Hey. Stand up there, so. Breathe easy. I say, hey, mother, do it. Where you do on road, them a day?
I never have no school, how much money never done?
What? So all of my money, they want me to work and send come my yard. And where your mother do with it?
No, you forgot to ask her that.
Me, I forgot to ask her that. Don't worry about that. What you do on the road? Watch ya.
What is that?
Wait. I see where you get the dirty water from. I say you live down here.
So how me feel live?
How are them batty peg, batty rider sitting here, them here,
You left much years now. You don't talk much.
You still live like a ghetto girl down here?
You have to. Don't come by me, you know.
So all of my money when me send con gear. Shut up your mouth. All of my money when me send con gear. You not do nothing good with it.
And what?
You not teach me that nonsense.
Oh, you so sure?
And watch ya. You put on all tattoo on your bony skin.
Hey, come up and talk to your father. Don't unite with me.
Anyways, you say me can come with half, right? So see half, you know. What? Do what with it?
What's that? Mama.
Yes, sir, me can come with half. Me come with half. What problem? You never tell me half how much me fi come with. You just say half.
That can't save nobody.
You never tell me what you charge me.
Come with 1,000 more that. But you say this you know, they can buy one juice.
You say you love me.
Love.
You pay for all of them tattoo we are having.
Rate. No. When you love, what is love?
Love is when I love somebody even if they're
You
broke.
love me?
Yeah.
So give me money.
Somebody have love if you give money.
Then I must.
I first never hear this in our life. Mama, let me ask you a question.
Brother, don't broke me.
You feel that when me dey party at night time, you can't pay me for that?
What that have to be?
You know how much energy me have to pump in you for you feel good? You can't pay me for that?
To teach you everything about life.
Yeah.
Listen, all these dirty behaviors, you gotta change it. Look at me. I'm talking to you, bro. This is not no jokes or no going around bushes business, okay?
Right.
What's wrong? What you doing out here?
Just chilling, you know?
Okay, check it. That's the reason why when I step at the airport, the first thing I buy is a lock. I know your style. Tell me that one more time again. I can't believe you grow up. You really grow up. Eh? Some left a worm down here and now me look upon a big cockroach. Eh? What kind of legs you show? Your cockroach you show legs. You want to show legs?
What man I call a cockroach?
So the dirty boy them panic lane. The corner boy.